three very distinct offerings. They begin with our ability to launch a project, JDA Launch Cloud. And the ability there is to be able to take a typical implementation, be able to provide it more rapidly. We think anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks we could shrink in terms of the timeline of a traditional behind the firewall implementation by utilizing rapid technology. The interesting thing here is that we're not pre-standing up environments, not like a Google where you can go buy a slice of computing time. What we're actually doing is building a customer-specific environment, in some cases in less than 2 to 3.5 hours. In some of our more robust applications, it could take upwards of a week. But if you look at that compared to an offline implementation, those could be months in order for that environment to be ready, all the technology to be stood up. The second solution that we offer is our JDA Perform. This is where we're providing the opportunity to have our customers have JDA bear the risk of making sure the system's available, that it's performing within the standards that the customer has set for us, that it's secure, and that we have a process to handle changes, meaning that we're going to keep the software always updated. We're always going to do the point releases for them, and we're very excited as JDA releases JDA 8 to take the opportunity for our major releases to be absorbed by our customers, our cloud customers, more rapidly, with less disruption at a less cost point than a traditional implementation of a new major release. And then we also want to make sure that we have a process to handle challenges or problems when they do come up, because unfortunately cloud services and software does have situations where we have some issues. We have to be able to handle them in a timely manner, very professional, and get back to the customer. And if you look at our uptime and some of the statistics that Hamish has shared at our focus shows over the last couple of years, we continually show very strong and positive uptime and resolution time for any issues. On the other side, we want to make sure that we have the ability then to take that standard platform, and we're really excited about the third solution, which we call the Optimization Cloud. This is where we're providing supply chain expertise advice to our customers to make the use of the software, the solution that they're looking to automate within the JDA suites, the 6 suites that we have, and provide an opportunity for that customer to maximize their results. We're not a BPO, we're not doing business process outsourcing, but what we're doing here is making those users, our customers' users, a planner, someone who's doing allocation, someone who's responsible for fulfillment, making them a little bit more expert at their job by providing them a set of analytics, providing them a set of data, and also providing them some advice. We have about 200 JDA associates who have 25 plus years of supply chain experience, and they work within the same industries, within the same products, and they are an extra set of eyes and ears and hands for the customer. And so we're pretty excited by the optimization service that we recently launched. Kind of wrapping it all together, it's not a specific services, but we help evolve the customer, whether it be the situation changes, a customer goes into new markets, they take on new brands, they divest of a business or they acquire a business, so we have to evolve our cloud services with the customer. So even though it's not a specific service, it's an underlying principle that says with our launch, our perform and optimize, we need to continually evolve that to stay current with the customer. That's an easy one. It's lower risk, it's faster time to value, and it's a sustainable long-term return on that customer's investment. If you think about the fact that JDA Cloud Services takes the responsibility to manage and maintain the current and the future solutions that the customer has, do it in a rapid time so that the customer doesn't have to wait 6, 8, 12 months for that value to be received based on their investment. And more importantly, cloud services really begins when the customer goes live. Even though we're heavily involved in that period of time of that customer's life cycle from when they acquire the software to when it goes live, the biggest value that we have is from that point going forward. Most customers, unfortunately, have that big celebration when they go live. Well, what happens 18 months, 24 months, 36 months after that point is that situations happen that you have a mismatch of associates within a company to manage that environment. You have situations where there are other projects that now come on board and those people are diverted to those other projects. What Cloud Services does, it ensures that no matter how long it's been from that implementation, that same celebration, that same feeling that what I bought, what I acquired as a customer is working for me continually on. And that's where we really drive big value for our customers.